With the holiday season just about upon us, it's the perfect time to get your probes looked at. Do the maintenance on your terms while your clinic is that little bit slower. I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to check your probe. It'll only take you a few seconds and it can save you thousands in repair costs. So just check any pin surfaces, make sure there's no signs of damage. Check around the sides of the connector, make sure there's no water ingress. Check the locking mechanism works nicely. Check the strain relief, make sure it's still bendy like this one. If it's hard, it needs replacement. Run your hand down the cable, check for signs of damage. Check the other strain relief. If strain reliefs are broken, it can result in inner cables breaking because it will only bend here, and that will cost you thousands. Check the cases on the probe. Make sure there's no gaps that fluid could enter into. Check the lens. Make sure there's no signs of damage. If you do these simple things once a year around the holiday season, you can save thousands.